England, a land of vibrant cities, ancient history and rolling countryside. From the bustling streets of London to the serene landscapes of the Lake District, England offers a diverse tapestry of experiences. But nestled in the heart of it all lies a region that seems to capture the very essence of English charm, the Cotswolds. This area is a quintessential representation of what many envision when they think of rural England. Imagine a place where time seems to slow down, where honey-colored villages dot a landscape of rolling hills and winding rivers. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every view is a postcard. This is the Cotswolds, a region that beckons travelers seeking a tranquil escape, a journey through time, and a taste of authentic England. Here the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sounds of nature. The Cotswolds are not just a destination, they are an experience that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and truly savor the moment. An experience of stepping back into a bygone era where life moves at a slower pace and the beauty of simplicity reigns supreme. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Here you won't find bustling crowds or towering skyscrapers. Instead, you'll find a serene environment that encourages reflection and relaxation. Instead, you'll discover a world of quaint tea rooms, cozy pubs, and winding lanes lined with wisteria-clad cottages. These charming establishments offer a warm welcome and a taste of local hospitality. This is a place where you can reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in history, and savor the simple pleasures of life. Whether it's a leisurely walk through the countryside or a visit to a historic manor, the Cotswolds offer countless opportunities for enjoyment. But the Cotswolds are more than just a pretty picture. They are a living, breathing region with a vibrant community and a rich cultural heritage. Beneath the surface lies a rich tapestry of culture, history, and tradition. Every village, every stone wall, and every field has a story to tell. This is a region that has been shaped by centuries of farming, craftsmanship, and artistry. The landscape itself is a testament to the hard work and dedication of generations past. From the wool trade that once brought prosperity to the region, to the local artisans who continue to create beautiful handmade goods, the Cotswolds are a testament to the enduring spirit of English craftsmanship. The legacy of these trades can still be seen and felt today. So come along and discover the Cotswolds with me. Let's explore its winding paths, meet its friendly locals, and uncover the stories that make this region so unique. Let's wander through its charming villages, savor its culinary delights, and uncover the hidden gems that make this region so special. From traditional English breakfasts to gourmet dinners, the Cotswolds offer a feast for the senses. Whether you're seeking a romantic escape, a family adventure, or simply a chance to recharge and reconnect with yourself, the Cotswolds have something to offer everyone. It's a place where memories are made and cherished for a lifetime. One of the most enchanting aspects of the Cotswolds is its collection of picturesque villages, each seemingly plucked from the pages of a fairy tale. These villages are not just beautiful, they are steeped in history and tradition, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. Built from the region's distinctive honey-coloured limestone, these villages exude a timeless charm that captivates visitors from around the globe. The warm hues of the stone change with the light, creating a magical atmosphere that is both inviting and serene. As you wander through their narrow lanes, past thatched roof cottages and blooming flower boxes, it's easy to imagine yourself transported back to a simpler time. The cobblestone streets and quaint houses tell stories of generations past, each corner revealing a new piece of history. Among the most iconic of these villages is Bibiri, often dubbed the most beautiful village in England. Its charm lies not just in its picturesque setting, but also in its rich history and well-preserved architecture, and for good reason. With its charming Arlington Row, a row of 14th century weavers' cottages, and the picturesque Byberry Trout Farm, it's a photographer's paradise. The tranquil waters and lush greenery provide a perfect backdrop for capturing the essence of the Cotswolds. Take your time exploring its hidden corners, stopping for a cream tea at a local tea room and soaking up the idyllic atmosphere. The tea rooms themselves are often housed in historic buildings, adding to the overall charm and experience. Another must-visit is Bourton-on-the-Water, known as the Venice of the Cotswolds, thanks to the River Windrush flowing through its heart. The river, with its series of elegant low bridges, adds a unique character to the village. Stroll along its charming bridges, watch the ducks glide by, and enjoy the lively atmosphere of its shops and cafes. The village is bustling with activity, yet it retains a peaceful and relaxing vibe. For a touch of history, visit the Bourton House Garden, a beautiful example of a traditional Cotswold garden. The meticulously maintained gardens showcase a variety of plants and flowers, offering a feast for the senses. But the charm of the Cotswolds villages extends far beyond these well-trodden paths. Each village has its own story to tell, its own secrets to reveal. Venture off the beaten track and discover hidden gems like Chipping Campden with its elegant high street and historic market hall, or Stow-on-the-Wold, known for its antique shops and traditional pubs. These lesser-known villages offer a more intimate and authentic experience. Each village has its own unique character and charm waiting to be discovered. From the architecture to the local traditions, there's always something new to learn and appreciate. Remember, the best way to experience the magic of the Cotswolds villages is to slow down, wander aimlessly, and let yourself get lost in their timeless beauty. Take the time to talk to the locals, visit the small shops, and truly immerse yourself in the serene and enchanting atmosphere that makes the Cotswolds so special. The Cotswolds offer more than just visual delights. They also tantalize the taste buds with a rich culinary landscape. This picturesque region, known for its rolling hills and charming villages, is a haven for food lovers. From hearty pub fare to delicate pastries, the region boasts a diverse array of flavors that reflect its agricultural heritage and commitment to local produce. The farmers' markets are a testament to this, bustling with activity and offering a plethora of fresh, locally sourced ingredients. So, loosen your belt and prepare for a culinary journey through the heart of the Cotswolds. Each dish tells a story, a narrative of the land and the people who have cultivated it for generations. No trip to the Cotswolds is complete without experiencing a traditional pub lunch. These pubs are more than just places to eat. They are social hubs where locals gather to share stories and enjoy hearty meals. Step inside one of the region's cozy pubs with their roaring fireplaces and welcoming atmosphere, and indulge in classic dishes like bangers and mash, fish and chips, or a hearty ploughman's platter. The warmth of the fireplace and the rustic charm of the interiors make for an unforgettable dining experience. Pair your meal with a local ale or cider for a true taste of Cotswolds hospitality. The region is renowned for its craft beverages, each sip offering a glimpse into the local brewing traditions. For a more refined dining experience, the Cotswolds boast an impressive selection of restaurants serving up innovative cuisine using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. These establishments blend traditional flavors with modern techniques, creating dishes that are both familiar and exciting. Sample dishes featuring Gloucestershire Old, spot pork, Cotswold lamb, or freshly caught trout from the region's rivers. Each ingredient is carefully selected to ensure the highest quality and flavor. And don't miss the opportunity to try a traditional afternoon tea, complete with scones, clotted cream, and finger sandwiches. This quintessentially British experience is a delightful way to spend an afternoon, especially when enjoyed in the serene surroundings of the Cotswolds. But the culinary delights of the Cotswolds extend far beyond restaurants and pubs. The region's farmers' markets are a treasure trove of local produce, offering everything from fresh vegetables to artisanal cheeses. Explore the region's farmers' markets, where you can sample local cheeses, chutneys, and baked goods. These markets are a celebration of the Cotswolds' rich agricultural heritage and a great way to support local farmers and producers. Look out for specialties like Bibury trout, Gloucester cheese, and double Gloucester, a firm cheese with a slightly sweet flavour. These local delicacies are a must-try for any food enthusiast visiting the region. And for a sweet treat, indulge in a slice of Bakewell tart, a traditional English dessert with a shortcrust pastry base, a layer of jam, and a frangipane topping. This delightful dessert is a perfect way to end any meal, or savor a warm, freshly baked scone with clotted cream and jam, a true taste of Cotswolds indulgence. Whether enjoyed in a quaint tea room or as part of a picnic in the countryside, this simple yet delicious treat is a highlight of any visit to the Cotswolds.